What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "Racist Woman Kicked Out of Bar Over Disgusting Behavior." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On July 16th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a woman causing a disturbance at a local bar.
What's going on? What's going on? Just so you know,
That man pushed me.
What man?
That black man right there.
There's not a black man right there. What's your name?
Sarah.
Huh?
Sarah. I have
Sarah?
nothing left to say.
Sarah, you don't get the choice of leaving, Sarah. We're talking. I have to investigate why we got called, okay?
I just need to shut that door so I'm in a dark room so I can shut
Sarah,
I'm just walking, minding my own business. I'm trying to yell for him to help me, and he thought I said the N-word. I have mixed kids, I have mixed babies, I have a lot going on. I'm doing me, I have court.
Slide over here so we're not in the middle of their walkway.
You're fine now, I just needed to get that door closed. You're good.
Will you step over here?
I've dealt with you guys before, I have nothing left to...
So did you throw a bottle?
No. A bottle dropped on the ground because it's heavy and he wouldn't help me, but other than that, I know better.
What kind of bottle?
It's a Hardita bottle.
Huh?
I'm taking him to my house. It's hot. I'm hot.
I see that. I see that you're sweating. But we got a call that you threw a bottle at somebody.
So? I didn't do it.
Okay. Even if
Don't you think I know better?
I don't know.
I've dealt with you guys long enough.
Well, I've never met you.
I've been abused and hurt. My kids took. How is Ms. Anderson supposed to be getting more bond if you guys are doing your job? I've dealt with you and cried and cried and cried.
Oh, give me a break. Oh, brother. This is some terrible acting. What the heck is going on here? Horrible. Horrible. She did it. Listen, she's guilty. Guilty, 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 guilty.
Please.
So who's the black guy?
I don't know who he is.
A black guy hit you and caused that bruise?
Well, it didn't get any better.
When's that from?
Last week.
Okay.
A couple of days ago.
Okay. Have you been
But it
using
wasn't that
anything
black-
illegal today?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Yesterday?
No.
You use anything?
No.
I don't know you, so that's why I
No.
have to ask.
I was just pulled over a couple of weeks ago.
Okay. That happens. Do you have your ID with you?
No, it's gone.
Okay. What's your name?
Sarah.
With or no H?
Yes.
What? Stay over here.
I need him. Dude, I have nothing left to say to you guys.
Well, you do.
I don't.
Okay.
And I don't have
I
to.
can put you in handcuffs too. Okay?
And I still don't have to say anything to you.
You don't. You're right. I'm trying to get your information so we can figure out what's going on. Okay.
No, you got your information.
I have some information.
You got your information.
Okay.
Ma'am, please help me.
Sir,
Please.
I'm gonna say this one more time. Until
Please.
we figure out what's going on.
No, you go talk to him.
No, I don't. You don't
You
tell
don't have
me.
the kid to talk to.
Okay,
please,
put your hands behind
please.
your back.
No,
Yeah.
please. Don't grab me like that. I'm pregnant.
Who
Don't
got
just hurt my baby.
Do not hit me.
You just
Put your
hurt
hands behind your back.
Get her together. She must be confused.
No.
She don't know who in charge here, huh?
You
Get
just
her
hurt my baby
together.
officer, pressing charges. Did you hear me?
Act right.
Did you hear me?
10-1 at customer.
The one thing that you can always count on the ladies to say is they're pregnant, and yeah, they're pregnant. That's always. Don't do that, I'm pregnant, but you at a bar getting all liquored up. Now, what type of sense does that make, huh?
No, he hurt my baby.
Stand up.
You just hurt my baby.
Put your shoe.
No, that liquor that you was putting in your system hurt your baby.
He's an immigrant. He just hurt my baby.
Everything's on camera, sir.
Everything's on camera back there, so.
Get her together.
Walk.
Why she ain't
Don't
walking
hurt my
straight?
child.
Your actions is what's leading to this happening.
Why isn't he getting arrested too? Why isn't he getting? He just hurt me. I don't understand.
What's wrong with him?
Sir, he just hurt my child.
What's wrong with him?
Why didn't you guys arrest him? Why? Why?
Why did you try to swing at me?
Because I've dealt with you guys before.
Oh, okay. You want to check her real quick?
Shut.
That was a slick question. I ain't gonna lie. Why did you try to swing at me? And she didn't say I didn't swing at you. She fell right into it. Got her admitting that she swung at him. Cooked.
Did you arrest him too?
I don't know who him is that you keep alleging because your story is all over the place.
So you're arresting me, not him? Excuse you? You horrible, rotten man.
Okay, I'll be a horrible.
Got
rat.
mad scabs and shit on her skin. Ooh.
Sit down. Sit down.
Please don't do this.
Get in the car. Get in the car. You pleading is not going to change anything.
You can
get
do
in the
anything
car.
you want.
You can get in the car.
God.
Get in the car. There's AC in the car. Put your feet in. Crying ain't going to change shit. Get your feet in.
You didn't arrest that man?
It's not over.
Why didn't you arrest him?
Man, you see how she looked at him? She looked at him all. You could do anything you want. And she offering services out there and everything. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's insane. We're gonna get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I wanna tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
What do you got so far? A tweaker.
They probably have domestic charges on her. I'm guessing if we can figure out who her boyfriend is and if
So
it's actually her boyfriend or not.
she didn't make any sense.
Okay.
When I walked in, she lifts her shorts thing to show me this massive bruise that's been there for a while. I can't get any information out of her. She said there's a black man who he came at me because he thought I said the N-word. I have mixed children. Where do you stay at?
I'm homeless.
Okay. So where do you stay at?
Streets.
Just the streets.
Can't go to my mom's because you put an OP on her.
Where the shoes that you were wearing, do you know who those belong to?
Those are mine.
Those big
How
ones?
dare you even accuse?
What am I accusing you of?
That those aren't even my shoes. Well, I gave you the right.
Well, do you know that Hispanic gentleman right there? Because he has them in his possession. He's saying they're his roommates. That's why I'm asking you these questions so I can figure
There's
this
two
stuff
different
out.
pairs. There's a navy blue pair and there's a black pair.
The ones that you were wearing, that you kicked off in there, that guy right there has them. Do you know who that guy is?
An immigrant?
The Hispanic guy standing right
immigrant?
there. Do you know him?
An immigrant?
So you don't know him?
An immigrant?
Okay.
His whole family's an immigrant.
That's fine.
No, it's not. Because they're supposed to all be deported.
Not necessarily.
Yes.
What if he's here legally?
I know he ain't.
How?
That's fine.
Oh, okay. So, Sarah, go ahead.
Your name Dasha?
No.
You're not Dasha?
No.
You sure? Are you lying? Yes, you are. Or no, you're
No.
not? So that's
When's the ambulance coming?
ex-girlfriend,
Pretty soon.
their ex-boyfriend, girlfriend.
Him and her? Okay.
They went to Jimmy John's to get something to eat. She got upset for whatever reason. Telling her that he didn't have enough.
No, because I dropped. I needed help carrying that stuff because
He
I'm.
got upset, crossed the street, grabbed one of those bottles, threw it at somebody over here.
Don't you think I
So
know
he doesn't
better?
know if he didn't know if he hit him, but he did.
Is that black man being arrested too? I hope so.
Okay.
How are you gonna arrest me and not them?
Was she fighting with other people?
No.
So, supposedly, her and him were in an argument in the parking lot over there, and
Yeah.
she threw a bottle
Look at
at
my leg!
some other person.
She threw a bottle at a black dude.
She's got tattoos listed.
Get away from me, you monsters.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's
Yeah. See, people like this, it's like she's homeless. So, like, it wouldn't shock me that she does things on purpose to try to get locked up. So that way she might have a place to stay. People that's out on the street do, you know, they go to extreme measures and whatever. But, and then you could tell she, you know, she ain't wrapped too tight. She got a couple of screws loose, you know what I mean? So, but overall, I think the cop did a good job. You know what I mean? He got her together, you know, so I give him 4 out of 5 for sure, for sure. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.